Hello, this is novaTopFlex. This video is a video about /var/log/syslog on Linux and otherwise Unix-based systems. This video is primarily supposed to be watched by Linux users and enthusiasts, although it doesn't really matter which operating system you're watching this from. This will just be a Linux topic. So if you're interested in system logs and would like to tell me in the comments if you know how the log systems on Macs and even on the unrelated Windows systems are different from these Linux logs, or if you have a BSD or Solaris system, you can also comment on that as well, if you know any differences between Linux, BSD, and Solaris logs. But this is just the manual page. There are actually two or more, at least two manual pages I can identify. Man syslog is actually man3 syslog. It's a library call with C, but man2 syslog is a kernel call. If you want to know what the different codes are, the different number codes, those error codes are actually going to be for, so it's in /var/log/syslog, I believe, but the kernel call would be with man2. That's man2 syslog. So you'll see that there are 8 different levels. We have debug, we have alert, so 0 is emergency, 1 is alert, 2 is critical, 3 is error, 4 is warning, 5 is notice, 6 is info, and 7 is debug. Error is actually only if there is an actual error, whereas 7 can be literally anything. 7 can just be what would not normally be printed to screen. It has all the information. It's the most verbose you can possibly get. There are also, I believe, I'm not sure if there are 10 or 11. I don't know if there's a 0 command option on this. Please tell me in the comments if I'm getting the numbers wrong. But there are other error types as well. And feel free to continue watching, of course. Hopefully you can make it to the end. This video will be about the system logs in general. And yes, I will be moving this screen very shortly so you can see the commands better. All commands require privilege except for 3 and 10. I found the end. Now I'm going to go back up very shortly, hopefully, and yes, there are 4 different error types to think about. Now, what are these syslogs? So we close and open. Those are actually the lowest levels, at least by number, while the unread and buffer sizes are at the end. Unread size is 9, buffer size is 10. Now, buffer size, and there's one more command that I think is just a read command. That's 3, and 3 you could do without privilege. You can also do 10 without privilege here. So the kernel log buffer and the commands for syslog, we have syslog action for all these. 0 is close, 1 is open, 2 is read, 3 is read all, 4 is read and clear, 5 is just clear, 6 is console off, 7 is console on, 8 is console level, 9 is size unread, and 10 is size buffer. Only the read all and buffer size are allowed without privilege. The rest require privilege. And thanks for watching to the end of this video. If you would like to learn more about novaTopFlex contents and technology especially, please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and try to hack the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching. I will be signing off shortly.